Scott here. I've put a short video together to show you how to do a repair on a tubeless tyre if you've picked up a nail or a screw. I'll be using one of these plugs. You can pick up these kits very cheaply from an auto accessory store, and you can very easily repair the tyre yourself at home. It's heaps cheaper, and you'll save yourself a lot of time. So I hope you find this helpful. I've just removed the wheel off the van because I've got a puncture in that tyre. What I've done is I've picked up a nail because there's a lot of building going on around the area. It's very, very simple to fix yourself, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So here's the nail head here. Now when you have a nail on the actual running surface of the tyre, it's not a problem to put a plug in there. The suppliers of the plugs say they're a temporary fix, but if you haven't broken any belts or anything, I've found that they tend to be a permanent fix. This is what you need to get, just a tyre repair kit, and they generally come with the two tools. One is a reaming tool to ream the hole out, and the other one is the tool to insert the plug, and you'll get a small amount of a small tube of rubber glue, and you'll get some plugs. These are available very, very cheaply. So here's the nail. So the first thing is we've got to take this nail out. You might need to get a screwdriver just to get underneath it, and then just with a pair of needle nose pliers, I'm hoping to be able to grab hold of that. So there you go, that's what was stuck in the tyre. Now this is the reaming or the rasping tool. So now all I have to do is just ream the hole out to roughen it up. Better. So that's what the hole looks like after you've given it a good reaming out with that tool. Now we're ready to put the plug in. This is the tool we use to put the plug in. So there's an eye on the end here which is not closed, so that it enables you to push the plug into the hole, and then you just quickly pull this tool out and it leaves the plug behind. So here's the little pack of plugs you get. Just take one out of the plastic, and then we thread it through the eye here. Quite sticky. So you want to pull it through the eye so that it's halfway. Like that. And then the idea is we push it through the hole so that it will go into the hole like that, and then we can quickly pull this out. So that's the first bit. Now we get some of the rubber glue, and we smear this, give it a liberal coating of this glue. So now what we do is we push this into the hole so that about 2/3 of it is inside the tyre and approximately a third is hanging outside. So you can see how far I've pushed it in. And now I just quickly pull it out. This is important, to just rapidly just pull this out like that. So that's what it should look like. And now we just cut the excess off. So you can just use a pair of wire cutters just to snip the excess off. That's the repair finished. I'm just going to inflate the tyre now. So that's inflated to 40 psi. I'll just spray a bit of soap or detergent mix on there. And there's no leaks at all, so that's well and truly sealed. And over time that will cure, and it's pretty well a permanent fix.